The screen recorder that comes with your Samsung smartphone is the best because it is very versatile and doesn't attract ads. Turn on and sign in to your Samsung smartphone. Place a fingertip at the top of the screen and swipe down. You may have to swipe down twice to access the quick panel, then press on Screen Recorder. Choose one of the three sound settings. I selected Media as I will do a voiceover later. To show mouse taps and finger touches, turn the toggle on. I turned it off for me. Then tap on Start Recording. There is a 3 seconds countdown before the recording starts. Up top there is a small control panel with some options. It can be moved around the screen. If you press on the pencil, a blue circle will appear. Pressing on the blue circle will allow you to choose any of 8 colours to draw on the screen. I then clicked on the pencil to delete the drawing. Pressing on the head and shoulders will allow you to record a selfie showing the camera above. Press again to record the screen. Pressing on the 2 vertical bars will pause the screen recording. Then pressing on the red circle will resume screen recording. I will now press on My Files and on Videos to show part of a YouTube video being recorded. This full HD video will show how to watch YouTube videos on Linux without annoying ads by using FreeTube. When the video finished playing, I pressed the black square to stop screen recording. You may hear a beep and down below see a message, Recording Saved. By default, the screen recordings are found under My Files, Internal Storage, DCIM, Screen Recordings. To play the screen recorded video, I clicked on it and got good results using Samsung Video Player. The control panel is not shown during playback, but the screen recording did show the red drawing on the screen. The selfie picture made a brief appearance of the camera above. Because the control panel is not shown in the recording, you won't see pause or stop in action. This full HD video will show how to watch YouTube videos on Linux without annoying ads by using FreeTube. In comments below this video are YouTube links to many other smartphone tips. If you enjoyed this video, so may your friends. Subscribe to Smartphone Tips so you don't miss the next smartphone video tutorial.